This is Sonya Michelle with Sonya Michelle Hair Spa in Lanham, Maryland. This is a hairpiece I created for a new client. In the consultation, the client decided to cut off her natural locks. She wanted a change, she wanted something different. So in consulting with her, she decided she wanted a straight style and she wanted to experiment with color, but she didn't want anything bold. She's an executive, so she wanted to feel comfortable wearing the hairpiece in her boardroom meetings, as well as still having something jazzy after her 9 to 5. So what I decided to do after consulting with her is to use our virgin cuticle Brazilian human hair from the AynoS Hair Pieces hairline, and I decided to use a variation of color in the warm family to give her the look that she desired. As a close-up, I'm going to show you what the highlights came out to be after the process. As you can see, they're very subtle. This is a nice variation for colors for all the ladies that are conservative and for those who want to experiment with color but don't want anything bold as well. As you can see, there are no hard lines or what we call demarcation lines. You cannot see where the color begins. And if you're a color expert or a specialist, you will know how to create this technique. In the front, I created what I call peekaboo lights, which is color in certain areas of the head where the only way that you can see it is when the hair moves. Let me get up closely so that you can see the color. Okay, that should be a good view of it. See, when I move the hair, it exposes the color right in here. Also, I want you to see the flatness of the top. Show you from the front, from the side, from the back. Kind of zoom in on the top. This is what you call a quality made hairpiece. If you desire to get a new look, or you will want us to create a hairpiece for you, feel free to give us a call at 240-481-2180, or you can look us up online at sonyamichellehairspa.com. You can also visit IndianBrazilianHair.com to get a view of all the different texture that we offer. I thank you for watching, and we see you soon. Bye-bye.